Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag. Come see the car for yourself.